Okay guys, so welcome to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to detail your roof plan, okay, on a 2D. So you can see we've already have our model and we've drawn the roof, we've modeled the roof. So we want to detail it on floor plan. And if we go to our first floor, double click on this one story. This is our roof on the ground floor, okay. So first thing I want to do to detail my roof, like as a working drawing. So I will first of all, okay, let me suspend because I split the roof. If you watch the previous video where I modeled this, you understand I split the roof for me to be able to achieve this step up here, this step up. So for everything to be able to select, you just have to off this suspend group, okay, and everything will select. So at the end of the day, I will right click, copy the roof. Yeah, I'm copying everything. Then I created the worksheet. Okay, see this is from my previous video. So I will scroll and I will just paste it here. Okay. Some people do paste their roof on the ground floor and do the detailing there, but I prefer working with worksheet because everything will turn to 2D. So what I'll be working on here will be lines. So everything I've automatically converted to lines. If I have to suspend this, you can see this is now a polyline. Then things I don't need is what I'm going to delete now. Like this fill, I don't need it. This fill, I don't need it. So I will be selecting all of them and I will delete all of them. Okay. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you. So see, I delete all the fields I don't need so that I just have all the line from there. I can start working on the roof. Okay, so this is it. So I will select one of the line and I will off the suspend group for everything to select again. And you can see these broken lines, I don't need it. So I want everything to be a solid straight line. Then I change, I like using black color. Okay, you can choose any black color of your shares. So you can see this is what I have. So the next thing I will want to do immediately is hash the roof. And by the time I hash the roof, remember the field categories on drafting, then the field type. I like working with roof type 1. So you can select other ones of your shares, explore them, roof materials. But I like working with this particular one. This was the one we just deleted. It was because we needed to put our own with a different color. That's why we deleted. You can change the color also. Okay, you can decide to give any color of your shares, but I prefer working with this. Okay, so at the end of the day, I will mash this and then I will hold space bar and click on the space I want to fill with fill to, just like that. Okay, do the same here. Okay, do the same here, and I think that's all. Yeah, that's all. So first thing, let me just recess, let me offset all edges inside. This one is offsetting just a particular edge, but this one is to offset all the edge. So I will offset them inside by 100. I will do the same for all. Okay, 100, 100. Okay, 100. Yeah. Okay, one thing I forgot to do is the edge line. Yeah, the contour pen, which is this line here around the edge. I want to change it to black. I usually like using the first one so you can see it's black. So I think the ones I need to do now, because this roof, they are falling on this direction, falling on this direction, falling on this direction, and you can see the line is there. So I want to do the ones falling on this direction now. So I will also use the fill tool, but I will click on it, scroll down to this construction method. I will click on this third one. So I will be able to rotate it, then rotate, okay. Then I will process it inside. So I'm going to do that for every other space that's still remaining. Okay. So I will rotate and I will take this. You can see. Then I will recess it inside by 100. Okay. Okay, so let me do that for the rest. Okay, this one need to recess. So, okay, then I recess it inside. So okay, this one need to rotate. I will rotate. So take note of what I'm doing. I will just under construction, just scroll down the navigation bar, the information bar, then construction method, then this third one. So this will appear. Once this appear, you just make sure you select this move fill. So you just take it to this direction and take it to this direction. So it shows it's falling towards the right hand direction. So the same thing I'm going to do here. Okay. Okay, so I think that's all. Okay, I forgot to also do that. Or let me do that here. Okay. Okay, so we've done with hashing the roof plan. So the next thing we want to do immediately, okay, is to maybe do some of these cutout detail. I'm going to use my circular tool tickets, okay, 17. Okay, let me use 17, okay, and then I'm going to trim this off. Yeah, I'm going to trim that off. I like working with this. So I'm going to use my line tool, and then why I pick this one is because of the line weight. Why I keep selecting this set of black is because of the line weight. You can see the line weight is 99 points. This one is 71 point, which is lighter. This one is 37, which is by default. Okay, so I don't want it to be thick. That's why I'm picking that number one. So I will click here and then can give it 75 as the word thickness. I would like to place this on the perfect middle of this circle. And this is the middle of this line. So I will take it towards that center. Okay. Okay, let me on this so that these other two lines does not come with it. So I will just copy this. Then I will take it out by, okay, let me say 600. 600 will be okay. Okay, so I need to trim off this guy. So I'm using this. I just click on the line there, click on this. Then at the end of the day, you mirror this, mirror a copy. Okay, so you rotate or you mirror. So okay, that is this middle there. So that is it. And then the next thing we want to do is maybe put dimensions. Let's see, dimension every necessary areas. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Please, if you enjoy watching this video to this point, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Don't know why this is having an issue. Let me be fast. Okay. So just put my dimensions on every area that is needed. Every important areas that need dimensioning. Okay. Yeah. So okay. So I've created all my dimensions. People can go as far as putting dimension on the hips and the ridge. Oh, what did I do? can go as far as putting dimension on all these ifs and which and the valleys. So the next thing I want to do immediately is to show the arrow. Okay, although there are all symbols, I think there are symbols that you can use under 2D. I think basic library 2D elements. Okay, symbols, graphics, graphic symbols. This is an entrance symbol. Then okay, there's a slope symbol. Then you can, okay, there are different styles you can pick from. Yeah, there are different styles. Let's explore the other styles available there. Okay, they're literally just the same. Okay, but I don't work with this. Okay, so you can decide to place this if you like this, if this is okay with you. I think you can reduce the size of it. Yeah, you can reduce the size of it if you're okay with this. Then you can also rotate. Okay, you can also rotate it. But I do model mine. So I start with this circle. Let me say I'm giving it 350. 350 is too big. I can just reduce it to maybe 300. Then I come look for the middle here. 600. Okay, no, let me pick on this. That's 600. Okay, I change this, give it a black. So I change this to just background. Then I add polygon, click on space, then this adds. So I add my degree. If I go to my 3D and I check the 35 degree, okay, so I will go back to my worksheet, right? Then I type in 35, type in this guy here to add my degree symbol. Okay, so I off the boldness, so I decide to reduce the font size so that it fits in the circle properly. Okay, yeah, that's the middle. So at the end of the day, I want to group this, Ctrl G. So let me delete this. Okay. Okay, let me off this so that everything will be move along. Okay, then I mirror this. Okay, mirror, then I position it properly. And every day I'm going to rotate this to face the other direction. Okay, well, I need to mirror rotate the text, so I will put on my suspend group so that to select just the text, then I put it off to select everything back, then I mirror it. Okay, yeah, so I need it here and I need it here, then I also need this here. Okay, so you can see, I think I'll be able to detail the roof and put every necessary information I need. You can decide to do this call out of spline 2, wooden roof, then I can decide to add this arrow. I started from here, that's why you can see where you started from is where the arrow head should be. So I decide to say, okay, wooden roof members. Okay, you can start to off the boldness, then place it here. Okay, so that's it. So thank you very much. If you enjoyed this video, don't like to share, subscribe to the channel. So thank you.